From your neighborhood kirana store to a fast-growing startup, India's business landscape is as diverse as it gets. So have you ever wondered how we officially classify them? Let's take a look. So what are MSMEs? MSME stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. This is a sector that powers nearly 30% of India's GDP and employs around 11 crore people. But not all MSMEs are the same. The government classifies them to ensure that the right kind of support reaches the right size of business. According to the latest definition of the Ministry of MSME, MSMEs or enterprises are classified according to two main parameters. First is the investment in equipment or plant and machinery, and the second is the annual turnover. So micro enterprises are enterprises where the investment is less than or equal to 1 crore and the annual turnover is less than or equal to 5 crores. On the other hand, small enterprises are those where the annual investment is less than or equal to 10 crores and the overall annual turnover is less than or equal to 50 crores. On the other hand, medium enterprises are those where the annual investment is less than or equal to 50 crores but the annual turnover is less than or equal to 250 crores. Both of these conditions must be met to qualify for any size of enterprise. So, why does this classification matter? Why does it matter if your business is a micro or a medium enterprise? This is because your classification entitles you to government schemes and government subsidies, from collateral-free loans and interest subsidies to tax exemptions and protection from delayed payments. It also ensures that you're part of key government schemes designed for your size of business. To access any of these benefits, your business needs to be registered as an MSME. That is where Udyam registration comes in, the government's single window platform to register your business as a micro, small or medium enterprise. It's free, paperless and Aadhaar linked. Big or small, every business has a story and a category. Know where your business fits in, register right and unlock the support built for your enterprise. To know more about business finance, hit subscribe and stay tuned with Tally Capital.
If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.